Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zainab Junejo. My roll number 45. Subject Advanced Electrical Machine from Electrical Department. Question number 1. Is the turn ratio of transformer the same as the ratio of voltage across the transformer? Why or why not? Answer: yes, it is essentially true. Under no load conditions, it is very close to true that we use that as the starting point in the designing a transformer. There are some losses in transformer which will affect the secondary voltages and under load. These are due to resistance losses in the winding of the transformer, so we can accept some voltage losses and the secondary current increases. Question number 2. Why does magnetization current impose an upper limit on the voltage applied to the transformer core? Answer: the core maximum EMF defines both the maximum voltage frequency and cold turns and the linearity of the magnetization current. When higher voltage is applied, the core saturatives and the magnetization current rise to produce and a ohms voltage drop in the wiring, which will eventually burn out. Question number 3. What compounds compose the excitations current of a transformer? How are they modified in the transformer equivalent circuit? Answer: it contains up to compounds. First, the magnetization current, which is the current required to produce the flux in the transformer core. The core losses current, which is the current required to the makeup of a hysteresis and eddy current losses. The copper losses current in a transformer. Question number 4. What is leakage flux in the transformer? What is it modulate in a transformer equivalent circuit as in inductors? Answer: flux excited for the pole sides, which flux is not doing anything other than wasting energy. Therefore, linkage flux is modulated as an because it is inductor because it is induced. Question number 5. List and describe the types of losses and occurrence in a transformer. First, hysteresis losses. The reason is the reversal of magnetization in the transformer core. This losses depends on the volume and grain of the oil and frequency of magnetic reverses and volume of flux density. Copper losses, eddy current losses, and hysteresis losses depend on the magnetic properties of the material used for the construction of the core. So these losses are also known as core losses or iron losses. Copper losses, these losses are accounted for by the series resistance in the equivalent circuit. Question number 6. Why does the power factor of a load affect the voltage regulation of transformer? Answer: the leakage power factor demands more current, in its case more voltage drop in transformer winding. As a result, the voltage regulation of a transformer deteriorations. Question number 5. Why does the short circuit test essentially show only copper losses and not essential losses in a transformer? It's It's essentially because secondary side of transformer is open circuit. There is no output power, hence this power only contains of copper losses and power core losses and copper losses. Question number 8. Why does the open circuit test show only excitations losses and not copper losses? In the open circuit test, a transformer's secondary winding is open circuit and its primary winding is connected to full voltage. To connect it, the values RC and AMC is 100. To, to look first admittance of the excitation branch. GC is equal 1 upon RC and the magnetism is given by BM is equal to 1 upon XM. Question number 9. How does the per unit system of measurement limits the problem of different voltage levels in power system? In the per unit system, the circuit powers, impedance and other electrical quantities are not memorized in the usually SI units, voltage, amperes, watts, ohms, etc. Instead, such electrical quantity is measured as a demanded function of some basis level. Any quantities can be experienced on a per unit basis by the equation. Question number 10. Why can auto transformer handle more power than conventional transformer for the same size? It is the interesting to note the not all the power traveling for the primary to secondary in the auto transformer goes through the winding. As a result, if a conventional transformer is recorded as a auto transformer. Question number 11. What is the transformer taps? Why are they used? Taps produce a means of maintaining the appurative magnetic flux level in the transformer to provide the transformer rate secondary output voltage. Taps are usually supplied to on the primary or input side. This is useful to adjust the output to adjust the output voltage if the input voltage difference for the normal voltage. Question number 11. What are the problems assistive with the YY three-phase transformer connections? Answer. A YY connecting three-phase transformer can produce service tech overheating that can quickly deteriorate the transformer. This usually occurs with an open phase, the primary current and load the secondary. What is a TCUL transformer? A TCUL transformer is transformer with ability to change taps which powers is connected to its voltage regulator. Is a TUCL transformer with built-in voltage saving currently with the automatically change taps to the system voltage contains. Such a specially transformer are very common in modern power system. Question number 14. How can three phase transformer be accomplished? Use only the transformer. What types of the connection can be used? What are their advantages and disadvantages? Three-phase transformer contains of the transformer neither separate of the combined one core. The primary and secondary any three-phase transformer can be dependently connected to the neither YY or data. This gives total 4 possible connection for the three-phase transformer pick. Why data, why data. Advantages: if load is in the transformer current the unbalanced, then the voltage on the face of the transformer can becomes severely unbalanced. Third, harmonic voltage can be low of if three-phase set as a voltage is applied by transformer. The voltage is any other phase. However, the third harmonic compounds of each the three-phase transformer will be in the phase with each other. Hence, there are three cycles in third harmonic for such cycle of the fundamental frequency. Advantages: if cannot handle if overload is such